Hi friends, welcome to Edible Vibes. I hope you're enjoying our videos and recipes. We are absolutely overwhelmed by your response. So today we are going to share another one of our mom's recipe. It's for mixed fried rice. This delicious rice is so tasty, you can have it without any accompaniments. And it's one of those dishes that taste awesome today but even better the next day. So let's get started. First, the chicken. Take 2 chicken breasts. Cut it into 4 to 5 pieces like this. Put them in a saucepan with 1 cup of water, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper. Cook on a medium flame until the chicken is completely cooked through. Once the chicken has cooked, take the chicken pieces out of the stock and shred them into bite-sized pieces. Reserve the chicken stock. Now rice. Take 2 cups of rice and wash it until the water runs clear. Make sure to remove as much starch off the rice as possible. Otherwise, the starch will make the rice stick together. In a stock pot, take enough water to cook the rice. Add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil to it. Now, the salt adds flavor to the rice and the oil helps keep them separate. Once the water comes to a rolling boil, gently dip all the washed rice in. Stir well and let the rice cook. The cook on the rice should be just over al dente. It's not supposed to be mushy at all, but it should not have any bite to it either. Now, pro tip. Once the rice has cooked, spread the rice out evenly on a sheet pan. This stops the rice from overcooking from its own heat, and it also prevents the rice from clumping up together. Drain the rice and keep aside. Pro tip: you can make the rice a day before and keep it in the fridge. This way, it will not become mushy and you will have rice that doesn't stick to each other. Now, beat 2 eggs with a pinch of salt. Make sure the eggs are well combined. Set this aside. In a wok on high flame, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Add 4 to 5 large cloves of garlic finely chopped. Half inch of ginger finely chopped and saute them until they are no longer raw. Add 4 whole spring onions finely chopped. Saute for a few seconds. Add 1 stalk celery, finely sliced. Saute till it has slightly softened. Add 2 carrots, diced. And 15 to 20 green beans, finely chopped. Add half teaspoon of salt to taste and mix well. Saute till the vegetables have cooked through. All the frying is going to take place in this one wok. So, push the vegetables to the side. Add about 15 to 20 shrimps into the pan. Add a little bit of the reserved stock to help steam and cook the shrimp. The shrimp will cook very fast. Once the shrimp has cooked, mix it with the rest of the vegetables and fry till the stock evaporates. Once that's done, push the vegetables to the side again. We are going to scramble some eggs. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to the middle of the pan. Pour the beaten eggs and scramble them. Add 2 green chilies slit lengthwise. Mix the vegetables, eggs, and green chilies really well. Let it fry for a minute. Now, add the shredded chicken to this and mix well. Now the seasonings. Add 1 teaspoon of chicken stock, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and salt to taste. Mix them lightly. Now add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to this and mix it really well. Now add the rice in small portions and mix well. Once all the rice has been added, mix it thoroughly. You will notice that the color of the rice will change from white to a pale yellow as it gets coated with all that lovely seasoning. Make sure to mix it gently to prevent breaking the grains of rice. Once all the rice is coated with the seasoning and is mixed well, sprinkle some green onion over and serve hot. This delicious fried rice is chock full of vegetables and protein. It is an easy recipe that you can make it your own. I really hope you have liked this recipe. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel to show us your love. Until next time, happy cooking.